Well, as we all know, I'm always looking for ways to upgrade my stream and increase my production value, and this just felt like the next logical step. When you want to do whole house streaming, you kind of need a way to control all of the cameras in the house. And thanks to Reddit, these people on the forum suggested that I get a Blackmagic ATEM Mini. Why did I get an ATEM Mini out of all the others? Because I need one very critical feature. I need to be able to switch the cameras through a smartphone or some type of other remote capability. But I can't be at the PC all the time. I need to be able to do it from like the kitchen or the garage or somewhere else. So that is why we went with the ATEM Mini by Blackmagic, and today we're gonna unbox it and see exactly what you get for about $400. So let's crack this thing open and see exactly what we're going to get inside the box. Blackmagic is one of these companies that's really embraced the whole new digital media streaming sphere. As you can see here, they even advertise right on the box that they work with YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch. Skype to a lesser degree, but no one cares about Skype. Now let's go to the point of no return and crack open the cellophane. I really did like the idea of this product. The one thing I don't like though is this product comes in a number of different models and they all come with extremely varying price tags. But you have to really go through the list that people have compiled of what's inside each box and then see which one works best for you. So starting off here, we have our welcome package. And inside it just says thank you, download your manual. Just the regular standard fare. Next we have our software installer, which is just a guide. And what do we have here? We have Blackmagic stickers. So that's really cool. Then we have a DaVinci Resolve 17 free download. By the time you see this will have already been claimed, so don't even bother. Then inside the box, we have a European plug. Gross. An American plug, yeah. Freedom. Then we have our, I guess this is our universal adapter. I want to assume Australian plug. I want to assume Asia plug. And taking out the foam, we can see here we have our Blackmagic ATEM Mini. So, how does this thing feel? Well, right off the bat, it's got this semi-gloss plastic. It's going to get oily. I'm just going to say that right now. It's going to get oily, but feeling the buttons right off the start, it feels nice. Here's my hand for scale, and if that's not good enough for you, I will reach over here, grab myself a measuring tape. I'm just going to do it this way here. So we're looking at about little over 9.5 inches in length, looking at about 4 inches in width. So there you guys go. So 9 by 4. Your girlfriend's boyfriend can probably be a better relation to the size of this thing. But feeling the buttons, it does feel nice. It feels sturdy. It feels premium. I will say that. Blackmagic in their normal design, it does feel very premium. Looking on the back here, we can see we have our power outlet. We have our ATEM control through Ethernet, our webcam out, which is USB Type-C, HDMI out, and then 4 HDMI ins in mic 1 and mic 2 through the 3.5mm jack. This is really, even though it says it's a like camera switcher, this is really just a 4-port capture card. If you want to really look at it, you have all of these extra bells and whistles, but in the end, it is just a very steroided version of one of these. HDMI in to HDMI out, passes the video signal, except here you have every bell and whistle you could ever want. And I'm not sure if this will work. I'm pretty sure it will though. You can probably daisy chain these. So if you got 4 more of them, plug the HDMI out into each of these from all the other units and plug those like cameras into those other units, and then you have 4x4x4x4 control cameras. I'm not sure if that will work, but you never know, it might work. But there we go. So that is the unboxing of the Blackmagic ATEM Mini. I cannot wait to work with this thing. If you guys like this video, please do hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment in the comment box down below. And I will see all of you when I post the review for this, hopefully by 2025. Thank you guys. Bye.